Good afternoon, Chad. We're down here at Bavarian today with another one of our common suspects, an N20 that needed timing done. Could you tell me what this process looks like?
So in order to do this, basically what you do is you get this valve cover off. You'll actually take the oil pan off too as well. And what you're actually doing is you're taking the chain that runs from right up here at the cams that goes down to the crank right down in there, and you're replacing it. Most of the time it's due to stretch or broken guides. I actually already threw these guides out, so I can't show you. But there's also an oil pump chain that we replace while we're down in there. So when you do this, it really just revives the car and brings it back to life.
Right. We've seen, I mean, not to mention the prevention of damage further down the road, but up to 5 or 6 miles a gallon.
Yeah, it will drastically help your fuel mileage, especially if you do have a stretch chain or any guides broken. That just gives excessive play in that chain. So there's definitely a lot of benefits to doing this.
Awesome. Thank you, Chad.